Hey everyone, this is Abhishek. So in the previous video, I have shown you how to create AWS EC2 instance, and we have created one Ubuntu instance. So now in this video, I am going to show you how to access the Ubuntu file system using FileZilla. So for that, I have created this blog. Here I have mentioned step-by-step process how to do the full setup in FileZilla. So I'm going to follow this blog only, and I'm going to do the setup live. Okay, so let's get started then. So as I mentioned, the first thing is download FileZilla. So for that you have to go to Google and you have to search for FileZilla. Next step is you see this FileZilla free FTP one. You have to click on this. Then you would get two options: download FileZilla and server. So you have to download the client, not the server. You have to click on this. You would get this type of web page. So it's also mentioned here. So you have to click on this. So after clicking, you would get lot of options. You have to select this one that is also mentioned, this. So I'm going to click on this. So yeah, so it's getting started, the download getting started. So after that, you would get a exe file. Let me go to my downloads. This is the exe file I got. So you would get the exe file like this. So the next step is you have to install it. So installation already it's installed in my machine, so I cannot install again. So I'm opening this. After installation, you have to open the FileZilla. So I'm opening it. So see, here you would get one uh, box kind of icon, and after that you would get this arrow, down arrow icon. Okay, it's shown in this screenshot. So you have to click on this. Okay, so when you would click on this, so you would see one page kind of application page kind of, where you can do the setup. So the next step is you have to create a new site. Okay, so I can click on this new site and I can say like training 1 or maybe training 2. I guess training 1 is also already there. So training 1. Okay, and I had to take the host. Okay, so let's follow the blog. So after clicking on the new site, you have to set up this fourth thing. Okay, so protocol should be SFTP. It's all, I mean, like by default it is FTP, so I have to select the SFTP one. Okay, it's mentioned. You have to take the host. So to get the host, you have to go to your AWS EC2 instance and you have to look for this one. In the previous video I have mentioned how to get into this page, so you can follow that. So you have to copy this IP and you have to paste that. Okay, so it's also mentioned here how to paste, like where to paste what. So username and password, whatever you have mentioned, you have to mention that. For my case, it is Ubuntu. Okay, so pretty much it. But another thing is there. So let me show you what would happen. Here the setup is done, so I am making it okay. Okay, and then what I would do, I would try to open this one. Where is training 2? Okay, trying to open this one, but it would not open. Okay, so I'm just showing you. See, could not connect to server. Why? Because the key pair is not added. So what is key pair? In the previous video I have told you. Check the previous video, the video description. I would paste that previous video also. So what you have to do, you have to go to edit. Okay, so in this edit you would get a settings button. Okay, so you have to select that from the menu. So let's wait. So I got these settings. Now let me go to the blog. So after settings, you would have to see here SFTP is mentioned. Okay, you have to click on this. You would get this page. You have to add key file. Okay, so when you click on this, you would get, you have to go to the location where you kept the ppk file. You have to select it and you have to click on OK as it is mentioned here. Okay, so then what you have to do, you just have to click on this, open, and you have to click on the training 2, I mean like whatever name you have given, and then OK. Then you see it would get connected. See, it's got connected. So pretty much it. So if you follow this blog, it would be totally clear like how you can do the FileZilla setup. So in the next video, I'm going to tell you like the how to set up putty and all. So you can check the next video. Thanks for time and have a great rest of your day.